Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English of Garden of Words Unit 1 page number 6. Let's start the lesson. Here are some words from your textbook from Garden of Words. Let's read this word. Read aloud and read with me. मेरे साथ में ये वर्ड्स को रीड कीजिए. First line from left. A. Easily. Many. Said. Time. Next line is and. 5. More. Shall. 2. At. Gave. Not. She. To. Began. Hand. Now. Smile. Took. But. Her. Of. Smiled. To. Next line. Came. I. One. Some. Wanted. Come. In. Only. Take. Was. Could. It. Out. 10. What. Cry. Light. Put. The. Will. And the next line is do. Look. Quickly. There. Would. I hope student आपको वर्ड्स रीड करने आ गया होगा. Next slide. Here are some words with the meaning in Urdu. Many, बहुत सारे. More, ज़्यादा. Gave, दिया या देना. Began, शुरू हुआ. Take, लेना. Look, देखो. There, वहाँ. Put, रखना. Some, थोड़ा. Quickly, जल्दी से. Smile, मुस्कुराना. Said, कहना. Like, पसंद करना, पसंद होना. Want, चाहना. Here are some more words with the meaning in Urdu. Cry, रोना. ना, अभी. Out, बाहर. Do, करना. Hot, क्या. In, अंदर. Easily, आसानी से. Time, वक्त. I hope student now you can easily read all these words. Jazakallah. Thank you.